What letter is it?
M.
Open the door.
Wow!
Everyone, so I won this giveaway from Jazz on TikTok. I'll leave her information down below. But I just have to say, I like these little stickers around the box. They are so cute. So
This one.
and there's also one more on this side. That's cute. So let's open it up and see what's inside. She wrapped it really nicely, so I will get everything out and show you guys. Item I pull out. This is so cute. Like I said, she wrapped everything so nicely. Let me open this one. There is this cute little keychain. It's cinnamon roll. My husband got one for my daughter. Not this particular one, but one that had Hello Kitty in it. And I really wanted one, so thank you so much. This is adorable. The Baby 3 keychain and a little squishy. Another one of these, and I think this fell off. Not exactly sure. And a little bag with stuff inside, so let's open that up. Everything that was inside the little yellow bag. This is so cute. I got a squishmallow, so cute. And then another little keychain. He looks like he's from Zootopia. So next it's these. They are so cute. These are the 3 small cute little blind boxes. Oh my goodness, these are adorable.
The last 2 you've seen.
My son
I'm
wanted
going
to
to
talk.
open it.
Yeah, we'll open it in another video.
Yeah. Bye.
Included this really nice little card, which I want to cry. And thank you. My daughter found it at the bottom of the box. And like I said, thanks again for all of this. I'm definitely sharing with my kids.